look at how much room I got back here. So if you don't know me, I'm 6'4", and I'm sitting comfortably in the back of the CX-90. So for the interior, the first thing I want to show you guys is the latch system on the seating. So this is a family car, and Mazda all revolves around safety features. Now the first safety feature I can show you with the captain's chairs is these latches right here. So your car seat is going to hook right up to these latches. If God forbid you were to go over a bump, drive fast, that car seat with your precious child in it is not moving, you understand? Safer than any other car I can show you, with a beautiful luxury interior. And that's the CX-90 for the middle row. So the beautiful thing about the latch system, right, is if you need to access that third row, you can move this seat up without the car seat having to move. Now the car seat's gonna stay stationed in here while you can access the third row of the car. If you need safety and you don't want to compromise style or status, this is the car for you. So if you want to take it on a test drive, come on down to Empire Mazda, ask for Maxwell, and I'll put you on the road. Choo!